So tonight I'm going to show you from Strathaven to Glasgow. It's a bit rainy, don't you worry, I'll put my windscreen wipers on. I also want to see where I'm going. There we go. Right, just looked at a lay-by to set off to start it. Hope this is recording because I can't see if it is or not. Right, let's go. Right. It's a 40-minute trip. Hope you enjoy this. You stay till the end, there's a big surprise. That's what they all say. That's what they all say. They all talk. Beep. But that's what they say. So I will tell you where I am now. I will tell you where I am now. Warnock Roberts. What is Warnock Roberts? Because that is on my right hand side. I can't look, but it's about to come up on my right hand side. Warnock Roberts. If you can see it, it's dark. You might not see it. There it is. It's just. It looks like a bungalow. Don't know why they've got that on there. Maybe it's a business. Not sure. What day is it? It is. I don't know what day it is. I think it's Thursday. Thursday morning. Just gone past 2 o'clock in the morning on a Thursday morning. So out having a little drive. Get some footage. And to get these random footage because my last video yesterday, was it yesterday or the day before? I think it was yesterday. Went so popular it was. With an amazing 23 views on my last count. Went so well. 23 views is good for me, you know. That went so well. I thought I'd do another one today. The date is I don't know. What is the date? Somebody tell me the date. It is the puddles everywhere. It's a bit rainy in these parts. It is the 4th of July. How about that? It's Independence Day in America. I'm not in America. It's not Independence Day for me. So it's a holiday over there. All you American people watching, hope you're enjoying my show. Well, it might be the 5th by the time it gets uploaded because it's such a long video, but it will be. If you want to look at Glasgow, if you want to skip, just skip. But I'll greatly appreciate it if you watched it all, or even just put it in the background, pretend you're watching it. At least it'll look like you've watched it. I know it's a bit dark, well, a bit dark at night. When it is dark at night, it's a bit dark these videos because it's night. But I'm a night owl. I don't really come out during the day much, but unless these videos, like I say, get popular. I can't even say them word. There we go, Strathaven. We're in Strathaven now, so here we go. Slow down. I've got to slow down to 30. It says. There we go. Yeah. I saw the last camera, the last angle wasn't very good on the video, so that's what I'm doing on these for, testing until I get it perfect. So the last one wasn't very good, so I've moved the camera a bit this time. Hopefully this one will be okay. The problem is I can't see him when I'm driving because obviously I'm not allowed to look at my phone. I'm looking at the road. So I'll shut up for a while now so you can just watch the road. Gonna see something interesting. Some music on for you, but it'll just get copyrighted. get away with that. I think you get away with 7 seconds for copyright. 7 seconds of anything. If you change it for 7 seconds, you get away with copyright. But obviously I can't put a song on 7 seconds and stop it and put another one on for 7 seconds. It'll drive you nuts. It'll drive me nuts as well. Stonehouse is just along here, 4 miles along. It's a very nice village. You might have seen a little clip on my shorts of it. YouTube shorts. Windy roads, quite a bit of this journey. I'd say it's about half and half maybe. Not even that, there's probably more motorway. It's just half and half in time, not in distance. Stop here, looks like my camera's about to fall out of its holder. So you see it's suddenly fall, you know why. If not, you know I've stopped and fixed it. Car right on my backside here, trying to get past me, and these wee windy roads with slippery surface. It's not a car, it's a flipping van. Vans are terrible. Yes, well, I'm not going any more than 50, what it is, 50, and it's going to overtake me. Look, here we go, look. It's not a van, it's a lorry. Highway maintenance, yes, they're the worst drivers. The worst drivers. Highway maintenance. It's not taxis like you think it is. Well, some of them are idiots, but the worst drivers are the highway maintenance. Yeah, according to me. A lay-by here, so there doesn't seem to be any. So I'm going to stop and fix this camera before it falls out. Stonehouse. Thought you went a different way. Okay. Let's see. There's a lay-by here. No lay-by. Needs a bus stop or something. But they don't seem to put bus stops in lay-bys anymore. They put bus stops in the middle of the road, so to stop all the other traffic. So like this. Do now. Used to. Oh, maybe. Oh, it's about to drop. About to drop my drops, keep watching. It will take a bit long. We'll fix it. Oh, here's a lay-by, here's a bus lay-by. We've got a lay-by just in time by the looks of it. Let's get in here, fix the camera. The hazard lights on as well. Oh. Bear with me.